By pressing the bell icon, you'll receive all my new videos, and a press on the thumbs up would be much appreciated. Right, I'm out at a secret location with Eric, Colin, Paul I've just met, he drove me here, Kevin and Stuart. There's a wee house in the middle of nowhere. Excellent. Well, no, not really nowhere, but look at that, there you go. They've got their own beach not too far away. Excellent. Yeah, Derek wants to keep his location well, secret, you know. Obviously, I mean, you might, if you know where this is or you recognise it, that's fair enough, but you know, that's just what he's wanting done, so you got to respect that. He doesn't want everybody, doesn't want the Neds, you know, swarming to it. So anyway, I'm looking forward to a more relaxed trip, much more relaxed trip than my two so-called extreme. It was just the weather that was extreme, or the bivvy bag, you know. I think bivvy bags in winter, I mean, people do it, but it's a wee bit hardcore, you know. I mean, I think it's wild camping, you know. You want a wee bit of comfort. I mean, it's doable. It was okay. I wasn't cold, as I said in the video. So it's something me and Billy might do again. A wee bivvy winter camp. And then my last camp, it was very, very cold. I mean, this is cold as well. The air temperature. We're looking at a nice wee heat off the sun, you know, taking the chill away, and obviously hiking. Now I'm hiking, I'm not really cold. Anyway, that's the intro over. Scots Wildcamper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. About -5, I think. That was the forecast.
Well, look, they're using my technique.
There you go. Oof, I don't know if I'll get past that with my rucksack. I've got a heavy pack on today. The heaviest one I've had for a while. So that'll be fun.
And there's Stuart. Excellent.
Tell me, Stuart, what size do you think Eddie's bag is?
Eddie's bag
169 litre.
I think he's got a bloody caravan in his back there.
I think it is a caravan.
Yeah, I'll bring you up, guys, look.
heading towards the secret beach, as we'll call it. It's already been called that, the secret beach. Another way, another path. We're going this way. That's where we walked from. There's another wee path there, but it's through this way. Right. Yeah. I thought I was going to have to go under the tree there with this huge pack. We're heading down towards the sea. Nearly went. Right, camera away time. Slippery rocks here, stumps. There's a path there. I don't see him, do I? Stuart went this way, so we're heading this way. Hello! The wee dog, Staffy. Heading up a wee bit again. It's a couple of miles, I think, the walk. There's the dog there. He's Stuart a fright. I'm following Stuart. I don't know who Stuart's following because I can't see anybody. So let's hope we. I can see a bit of sea down to my left, so I'm sure this is the right way. There was a few cut-off points, as you saw. We get left behind with doing a bit of filming and that. Sure this is the right way, Stuart? Because there was a path. Are they down there? Right. You can see them.
See when I heard that dog, I thought that was you running.
No.
Yeah, it's down here.
Down here, right. That's it.
It's Eric and Kenny. We've done the bike thing here, haven't we?
Yeah. Right, that's us, we're nearly there.
Yeah.
There it is, folks, there's the sea. You saw the sea. You came to see the sea, and I saw the sea. Yeah. There you go. Oh, we've got a new, I think we've got a friend. There's the dog. There you go. There it is. Oh, there's another one. We've got a couple of pals. Right, I'll walk on. There you go. Frosty beach, eh? Plenty of places to camp here. Looks not too bad. Eh? Aye, I've stayed a couple of weeks for me. There's the kayaks. Stuart, you could have brought your kayak.
So could you, Eddie. Where's
Aye.
your kayak?
Mine's heavyweight, mine. I keep.
a heavyweight as well.
I've not got a motor. That's. Hi, hello there.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely.
Gorgeous.
Right, there we go. That's the home for the night. Good stuff.
Bugsy's got a new tent, right? How many tents does one person need?
Lovely spot, folks. Very nice. Very nice.
5,000 outside. It's one of those.
See, the thing I'm lacking with mine,
That's
a lot.
including delivery as well, I think actually. Free delivery.
Oh yeah, I like this one. James, if you're watching. Yeah, I'll get the beach as well. Do it again, Bugsy. Take 2. Right.
He says he's been up there, but I think it's one of the green screens to be honest. You know, he's got a green screen with this.
What's the point? I've tried the green screen for me.
I mean, he can stand there pretending he can't hear me as much as he likes. Yeah.
Eddie's spotting the mustard tonight. Is that mustard yellow?
Captain Mustard in the drawing room with a lead pipe?
Yes, I think so.
Or Colonel Mustard, sorry. Colonel Mustard.
It's light, isn't it? It's light. Yeah. It's nice. I know, I've seen that. It's quite clever.
Aye, there is stuff.
Lovely jubbly. We're walking to the other beach. Stretch your legs a wee bit more. It's a lovely spot. I can imagine in summer it'll be popular with the locals. But I don't think you get many. Well, I don't think you'll get any casual visitors, campers. Really, you know, I don't think it's a place you can stumble upon, if you know what I mean. I think you need to know what it is. It's good to meet Paul finally, Bugsy, and Kevin. Kevin's a new one to the lads group.
Eddie's got the gaiters on, so.
I still don't want to fall into the mud. That doesn't look too pleasant. So we're going through this way. Oh, that looks worse. Through this way. It's a nice wee view looking back. just heading back. That was a lovely spot. Derek says even summertime, even the locals, I thought the locals would be, you know, that'd be popular, but Derek says no. Every time he's there's maybe 2 or 3 people. That's it. Spoilt for choice in Scotland, really. Four o'clock, tide's out.
Happy. He's the most happiest guy ever. See when you watch him, he just looks like he's sitting there and he's like, I'm really enjoying this. Really, cannot beat this. You're looking at him thinking, you ain't enjoying that. No.
Oh, the sky, that yabs light off the fire.
It's lovely, eh? Lovely. I just got that because I wanted to coffee Eddie. Kevin. Eh? I just got that because I wanted to coffee Eddie.
Magic. We'll get our fire log in a minute, we'll slap it on. We're heating up the wine.
And the fire's on the beach, so we're not damaging any grass.
Eddie, does Jim Beam watch you?
I don't know, mate, I've never heard him.
Bet you Scottish recluse watches you. He likes fire pits.
Does he? Oh,
Smelly fire pits.
oh, for God's sake.
I want 10 to it.
Tell me more.
Fuck you. I want the whole lot. I want the 100%. I didn't know you could do it either, so I'm quite glad.
You have to be by lights or is it how many folk are in your group?
That's a page.
Aye, so let's say you're like bushcraft, wildcamper.
Oh, my Scottish Wonder page.
So can I not log that into the page I've got in there, or is that the thing you're putting as a business page?
You a business page. We need to get a camp at see that cave we went to.
An Aaron.
Well, so I'm not ready to see it. Tore it out of quick speed. The video was quite good the way he'd done it. I was like, I went straight away. Oh, I need the heart of staff in there, watch my video at 8 minutes. I was, but...
Oh. I have there, it's here.
Oh, crikey.
I couldn't really, thought that.
That really made a difference.
It's just I can't, there was something missing.
Aye.
I missed my pocket.
Right. They're coming out now.
Well, time to crack the wine open. It's nice and warm now. Oh, lovely. That's a bit smell and a taste.
I'm thinking back to my old, so you need to re-edit them.
Nice and warm now.
I get accepted yesterday, got the email.
Now I'm happy.
So as long as you've got what
Happy as Larry.
See that, what's his name? Guy that's called Scottish Wildcamper. Is that really 6,000? Yeah.
I thought it had dug in enough.
Ken said to me, can you leave it? Like, I ain't getting involved with him.
Perfect.
I better make it good.
Don't forget the shout out, Eddie.
Yeah, there's Colin's chef, my chef of the night.
Oh
We
yeah.
need to get Colin past 2,000
Don't say I don't treat him good.
No. Need to get, Colin wants to get you 2,000.
Yeah, 2,000. Come on, get your
He
subs
wants
in.
to beat somebody, Eddie.
Huh?
Aye.
But we won't mention that person's name.
No.
No,
The person
no
doesn't like rain.
names.
Right.
But we won't
Yeah,
say
we're
anymore.
not mentioning.
Let's start a cooking Bible, we'll get that fire stoked right up.
Steak the night, folks. Eat like kings.
We'll be the best.
that fillet steak, Bugsy?
It is that.
Yeah, very good.
Professional there with the flame coming off and that.
Lovely jubbly. Yeah.
I've got my door open. I might be better closing it maybe. Petromax.
Where's your knife, Stuart?
Petromax.
Wire in.
Oh, I'm not
Wire in,
bothered.
I'm not eating it
Honestly.
if you're not having it, something like that.
Yeah,
Aye,
positive. I've got it. You want a bit of this, Eddie?
No, I'm alright. I'm going to get steak later. Aye. Stuck in. Stuck in, yeah.
I think I wasn't expecting this.
Close up, Mr. No, innit? Get your close up.
Is that a Stuart sabotaging everybody's cooking again, is it?
Great
I'll
stuff.
hold it.
Steaming, ready to go.
Yeah, get stuck in, mate. Stuck in, yeah.
Down. Making us a shot, mate.
We'll stick the potatoes in, and after that steak will go in.
Colin's put the tatties in. Tatties. And
Derek.
totties as we say.
Derek.
Totties.
Scottish recluse, what's you? Jim Beam.
I've blocked the Scottish recluse.
Oh, Jim Beam. He's up there. Got a smelly fire pit going, mate. It was Colin, wasn't me.
I don't like idiots on my channel, I just block them.
Fancy jacket, man.
Steaks in. Oh, look at that.
Looking
Boiled
good.
with rotten.
We're still getting the prawns to go.
Boiled with rotten.
One for Eddie.
Yeah.
You got an RV
And one
tray
for
there or
Colin.
something, Colin? You maybe better take the totties off and just decant them into that and just heat them up at the death, you know what I mean? Just saying.
You can't come.
What have you got on here, Stuart?
Shite.
Mince.
Mince and onions.
Mince and onions. Ah, nothing
That's it,
wrong
aye,
with
that's it.
mince. Good plate of
Mince
mince.
and onions.
Need carrots? No.
Nah, I can't be bothered boiling them and
Have that corner without losing any. Right.
Jumbo
Get them on
king
bottom
size
of that.
prawns as well.
Getting them flat on the bottom and
Excellent.
get the heat on that side. That's you.
Yeah.
Mostly the, see the plate with it and you go on it.
Aye. Aye, just lay it there and don't touch it. Yep.
Brian used to do
As you
the
can
cooking
see,
as well.
we're sporting the
Yeah,
Bugsy hats
American
tonight.
brine. American brine did. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's different, Brian.
Oh, is it? It's no American brine.
Colin's
Right.
friend.
Here's your Brian.
Alright.
Yes, a brine, right.
Is if Brian's watching,
Just lay it. Like,
Brian calls
lay
himself.
the heat in here.
Is it young Brian? Young Brian, I think Brian says, wasn't it? Yes, sir,
Brian,
Brian.
here's your Brian.
Young Brian. Remember Brian for Germany? He was old Brian. I think they're the same age, but whatever. Whatever, Brian, if you're watching.
Brian.
Right, so if Brian's watching.
Get yourself out there!
Aye.
It's mince.
Oh, there's my torch. I could do it a bit longer, but Colin elbowed me in the ribs and says, beat it. Get your votes in now.
Get your votes in.
See what?
Going to eat off the pan, Colin.
We need your petrol.
Here it is. Steak, potatoes, peppers, king prawns.
Just a bit, yeah.
Courtesy of Colin. Colin Russell.
Scottish Wildcamper.
Scottish Wildcamper.
He's a sub.
The last person to find out was Gary Rhodes.
Shops for Bugsy.
Lamb chops. Aye.
Well, Hampton, what is he still alive, is he?
No, he did.
Oh, did he?
I reckon that they killed himself.
Did it?
That was the rumour. I don't know if he has, but
You can have all the money in the world, but he doesn't buy that, is it?
Can he beat this?
No, Ken.
no, his family's came out and says he never. But
Aye.
Ken, that's Derek. He said, no, she said, Derek was just stupid. I said, oh, shut up.
I know, it was. Aye.
And you slowed down.
I did,
Then you went away on again.
because I heard the whistle and I slowed down because I was looking back at the mirrors and I saw he come up and I thought if he waves I'll get back.
He replied back to you.
That's right, aye. Ah, that was good, that, aye.
That was.
And I could have done with a cup of tea of that.
Oh, there was plenty of hot tea there.
Aye. But it's great, I just said to myself, it's great seeing folk who come, I just thought that's fucking magic again, you know, because that's what we like doing, you know.
Well, you see, I've always loved camping, but my missus doesn't keep very well. And that's
Right.
what I was saying to Paul earlier on.
Aye.
I said, but we had no intentions of buying that. It was just we went to the show at Glasgow in February.
Oh, it's fatal. I
And
mean, I don't
oh,
get into a car showroom and anything like that. I mean,
The guy made me such an offer that I couldn't refuse.
I know the computer says yes, I'm like, well, who am I to say no? You know what I mean, aye,
Oh,
sign me up.
magic, aye.
No, but that's we both it in a place in Preston,
Aye.
down in England, and we saved £5,000.
15 years employment, but they don't make you retire anyway, so you can basically work on. But I'm going to talk finance over 10 years, plus I'll save up money on that. And I'm going to get someone around about 40 grand.
Yeah.
I want to gauge
No, I say, the wife and I were talking, and as I say, we had a Volkswagen T5 for a long time. 5 years we had it.
Aye.
And we were talking about then a couple of friends of mine's passed away. Now they're older than me, and we were going to wait till like maybe I was later on. And I says when they get something, I says, Ken, why wait?
Yeah, exactly, you're a long
I
time
says
deep.
you're a long time beat. Exactly
Aye.
so. And so we sold our car, because I've got a company car.
Aye.
And my car was lying there, and you'd be lucky if it done 1,000 miles every 6 months. And my wife only used it going to the shops and that. So we sold the car, and we sold the T5 privately, and we put the money that I got for the T5 down as a deposit for the camper van.
I'm going to take a picture of you, Kevin, because I want to send it to Kevin McKibben and going,
Oh, gone Dave.
please this.
I go for it.
Right, ready? Oh, magic! I've got to say, I'll send it to him in the morning going, I was camping last night and this guy turned up, Kevin.
Morning folks, 8:45 AM. Very frosty. Very cold last night again, but we had the fire on the beach, so no fire scars. And that's us, we're all getting packed, heading back home. As you can see from my tent how frosty it was. Yeah, it was another cold one, as you'd expect. It was -8 or something. But as I said, it wasn't -8 when you were sitting around the fire. Yeah, beautiful spot. Tide's away out. As you can see, I just noticed myself how far the tides are out. My hands are getting cold. I better get on with taking the tent down. One last look. Nice. That's us away. And I want to give a big shout out to, an extreme shout out to Colin Russell, Scottish Wildcamper. He cooked my dinner last night. It was good, really good. Steak, jumbo, prawns, peppers, potatoes, a few other things, but it was just what I needed. Just what you need in a cold night. A proper meal for a change. Excellent. Right folks, I think I'll end the video here. I'm having a wee, well, by the time this video comes out, it won't be that long, but in real time, like today, it'll be another 5 weeks, 6 weeks before I'm out next. So I'll see you for the next one.